Hello, I'm Steve. Welcome to the Patio Heat channel, where we provide visual concepts of infrared heating as well as tips for outdoor comfort. Send your request into designs@patioheat.com for your personalized recommendations. Our one-on-one customer support helps you make the best decisions for your applications. We strive to earn your business. Visit our patioheat.com website for sales and more information. Now let's get heating. All right, so we have this residential application here. Let's go right into the overall dimensions that I have. So overall dimensions I have a 9-foot ceiling. I have this section here about 21 foot 6 inches from end to end, but there's a wall here at 14 foot 11, and then another section over here at 4 foot 9. So the overall length here is 16 foot with an 11 foot 10 section here of this wall from here to inside here. All right, what they want to do is put in some flush mount kits and install them in the ceiling here. So let's go ahead and look at a couple of different options that I might recommend. Now, the sitting position is kind of important to note where the majority of people are going to be sitting and where the actual amount of heat you're looking for is to be placed. So I'm going to go ahead and just utilize, I have a table here, and then I have some seating out here on the perimeter on this edge over here. So that is going to be kind of important to note. Let's go ahead and look at one option, which would be utilizing two. I'm going to go ahead and take off the top here for a second and put on a new top. And that's going to be utilizing two of the 6,000 watt W series with a flush mount kit heater, and they have two elements in them. They're 6,000 watt 240 volt and 25 amps a piece. Let's go ahead and look at the footprint of heat. I'm going to remove the lid for right now, or the top here for a second, so we can kind of see what information or footprint of heat that you're getting with something like this. So you can see here that we're not really heating up this space here 100%. Now there is going to be some rays that do travel from the heater itself out in this area, but it's not going to be the most ideal footprint of heat for the sitting position. So you can see I have right now from the center point of the entire space, I have the heaters that are going to be 9 foot 11 inches center to center on each heater. We could move this one over slightly, maybe 12 inches, something like that, or maybe even let's go with maybe 16 or 18 inches, and that footprint is a little bit better over here, but now we're missing here in the center. So again, knowing what that true seating position is going to be like is sort of important for this. You can see here now we're at 11 foot 5 inches, 11 foot 5 inches center to center on the heaters in this fashion. And also this heater here is centered within this span here. And then what I did was I off-centered the other heater by almost 2 feet, we'll call it, to the left here, so that it's more centrally located over here. I think that's about it for utilizing two of the 6,000 watt units. Let's go ahead and look at maybe a different option. A different option would be possibly utilizing something like the 3 of the 5,000 watt units, and I have them pretty much located in the same location. Again, the seating position over here is kind of not heated, but if this is not a seating position, this is going to be okay. But let's go ahead and look at the distances I do have. So again, 9 foot 11 from center of the entire span here, left to right, and these are now offset from the center position of the patio here at 7 foot 2 inches, at 7 foot 2.5 center to center on each heater, and this gives you a much better footprint of heat in this space right here. So this is probably my more preferred application, utilizing 3 of them if that's possible. And I want to do one more dimension on this, on the distance here. So let's just go ahead and look at what that distance is from here to here. We have 5 feet 3.5 inches, and then pretty much this is almost, let's see how far off we are of here. That's just 3 inches off, set here in the center here, or on this edge here, set to the edge over here, 3 inches off. So again, this could be moved back or forth, you know, depending on what you're really looking for. If you're looking for more overlapping here in the middle, that would be a better idea. But if you're looking for some more heat on this side here, probably again, maybe at 18-inch would be a better idea. So from here to this edge is 1'3". But again, we're missing a little bit of this right here. Now, the other thing I want to say is these are pretty hot units for an application like this. I would recommend either utilizing what they call a duplex switch, which allows you to turn one element on, one element off, both elements on or both elements off, and or use a control system where you can dim the heaters down themselves from basically 10% on all the way up to 100% on, and that would be my preferred part of the application. So let's see if there's anything else here. I think that's about it. All right, well, I hope this has helped. If you're looking for some assistance with your outdoor heating application, you would like us to review your plans, send your information to designs@patioheat.com. I'm Steve. Please tap that like button if you find this video useful. We don't advertise, not monetize. YouTube does not promote us in any way unless we receive a thankful thumbs up from you, our viewers. Have an excellent day.